Disclaimer, this video is going to be much longer than any other video you may have thought before.
Oh, that's a lot of sketchbooks, you say? Nah, that's not even half of it. There's still more in my closet, and some more in a box somewhere else. That's not even all of them.
Oh, hello guys! So, today on Art Inspirations, I will be showing you some, we're gonna hope, good sketches, but not very many, because they're my old sketches. I'm going to be taking you through a bucket of my old art, which is gonna be a little terrifying, but I have a point to it. I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah. Also, like this video if you want to see more. I have a bunch of more art. That's not a word. We're gonna go with it though. I have a ton more art, so if you guys want to see more, if you want to see more old sketchbook look-throughs or whatever they're called, like this video, let me know in... I just dropped that. Let me know in the comments below. Be sure to let your friends know, let everyone else know to come over if they like art. If they like being inspired, they like weekly art inspirations, please come on over. But hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's go!
So, sorry this is gonna be looking super weird, but for the video, I have to get out this lug. Oh, sorry, my room's kind of a mess. Working on moving to a new place. Ugh. So this, yeah, ignore that. That's a paint stain, folks. This is why you don't paint in your room, or you make sure that there's something else there. That's acrylic, not blood. That would be scary if that was blood. But this is the box that holds all of my art since, like, I don't even know. I want to say at least 2010, something like that. But there's so much in here, guys. There is, you know, we can go back to my earliest days, to my youngest days. Oh yeah, this is a gem. I don't even know who this is. This is probably like one of my characters from some point in my life. There we go, focus it. I won't bore you too much with too much of this, but you think that I've always been great. That is a lie. This is the beginnings. This is some of the wretchedness. Oh yeah. Look at that body structure. Look at those eyes. I have so many characters. That was like something I had way back then, when is that I had a lot of characters. That was like the one thing I did a ton of. I mean, if we want, oh yeah. Oh yeah, now we're getting to the good stuff. There's just so many. Each of these have a name on them. I'm sure I had a lot of stories to go with them. Can't really remember them now. This is a drawing of my dog asleep on our couch. Still have that little pooch. Sweetie. At some point you may see her on one of the videos. This is a skull. I have always liked skulls. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that beauty. I used to draw a lot in pencil way back when. This is the girl from that movie. I can't think of it. Something Quest. And they're singing in it. There's the two dragons that are stuck together. Whatever it is. The Quest for something. That movie. Comment below if you know what movie she's from. I did a lot of character art back in the day. I still do a lot of character art. But this is kind of more... Look at those arms. Look at that non-proportion right there. Ooh. Ooh, hot stuff. Hot stuff. So yeah, these are some, and these aren't even, I mean, these are maybe like 8 years back. So probably in my early teens. This is a better one that I did. I had a lot. This was for a book. Touching Spirit Bear. I read in high school or junior high, something like that. There's so many. Oh, though I've only ever taken about 2 art classes in my whole life, and this was one of the art classes. And what was really funny is I'd already taken, the other art class I'd taken was a watercolor class. And this is a class I had that was for, what was it? It was for, it was sculpture. It was for sculpting. Oh yeah, this is a really old one. So this is a bird probably from when I was like 10. Ooh, look at those feet. That is a nice looking little bird. So yeah, I mean there is quite a few. Oh, when I was into Once Upon a Time, I was into Once Upon a Time. Oh my gosh, there's some, like, I can tell you right now, there's a lot. This is like way more recent. This is probably within the last, I don't know, few years. But one of my biggest things, an art inspiration to go with this is just the fact that you can always get better, guys. If you see someone that is doing incredible art, it's not impossible to reach whatever they're doing. Whatever you want to be able to do, it's not impossible to reach that. A lot of it just has to do with practice. I mean, with any sport, with anything you do, with any art, with literally anything in your life, the more you do it, the more you get better at it. Because I can promise you, I wasn't gifted with incredible talent when I was young. I was drawing stick figures. I was drawing things like normal little kids. These are only because I've spent time. I have 2 more buckets like this full to the brim of art that I've worked on. It was not like one, and I have gotten rid of somewhere around probably I don't even know. I don't want to say 1 billion. Oh. This is old, guys. I mean, this is, I don't know. The main thing I'd like you guys to take away from seeing this and seeing all this old art is if you see my new art, when you see my new art and you think, oh, that's cool, which if you do, thank you, because I appreciate it. I love you guys. I'm so grateful for your support. You guys help me believe in what I'm doing too, and I love being able to, if I can, inspire you to keep chasing your dreams, because I just love knowing that we can kind of build a community, not only in art inspirations, but just as artists, as creators, as people who like making things. It means the world to me to see that. So that's definitely something I love about doing what I do, and especially about doing YouTube now, is just so much cool stuff. This was from 9/11. Okay, so this wasn't from 9/11. I would have been 2, guys, so this would have been exceptional for a 2-year-old. This was probably about 4 years ago. I would say 8. I can tell by my signature. My signature is what tells me a lot of times, you know, what I've been doing. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's just so much art, guys. I can't show you all of it because it's gonna go way too long. This was while I was at an airport, the Salt Lake Airport. There's just so much. This picture, guys, I was so proud of this. This was a sketch of me probably, I don't know, 6 years ago. Oh, it made me so happy. I'm not going to take too much more time showing you guys all of this. I love Rapunzel. That is the one thing that, I love her. Oh, okay, you want some cringe material, folks? We'll go some cringe material, a few more, and then we'll have to stop because this is going way too long. But this, I don't know if these 2 girls will be watching. Holland and Sage. So these are 2. I did these in church one day of Holland and Sage, these adorable girls that I babysit. Holland, Sage, if you guys are watching, love you too. But I totally... This is not how they look, folks. This is my beautiful rendition. When you see me draw a good human face right now, know that this is what I think of, and it gives me nightmares when I think about like what I don't want to do anymore. So don't think that I don't have cringe material. Oh, I have it in this. Oh, I have so much of it in this bucket. But yeah, this is just kind of a look at some of my older work. Some of my older stuff that I've done. Oh, there's Professor Layton again. One of my favorite series. In case you guys didn't know, I am a total gamer. That is something I don't really go super in-depth into, but you've probably seen I have a Twilight Princess poster up. I love games. I may get into that more as the series progresses, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing this. Oh, seeing some beautiful beautiful beginnings to this art. But I hope you guys enjoy. Remember, stay inspired. Just remember, oh yeah, this folks is what I grew up with doing. But back to what I was saying, I hope you guys enjoy. Remember that you can do anything. You literally are capable of becoming the best artist in the world. The only thing it takes is practice. That's all I've done to be able to make the things I do, to draw, to paint, to do anything that I've done. It has been years and years of paper, of sketchbooks, of daily practice, daily telling myself, I want to get there, I want to do something, I want to create something beautiful. And so that's all I've done. I hope you guys stay inspired. Keep creating art. If you want to get somewhere as an artist, if you want to become that artist that you look up to, go for it. Keep practicing, keep doing this art, because it may look bad now, but one day you'll look back and you'll go, I did that, but look at where I am now. So stay inspired, guys. Keep being amazing. Remember, you are incredible. Stay amazing. Have a great day. Love you guys.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments below if you have some cringe material in your past, because I'm sure I do. And if you would like, subscribe. Let's help our little family of art inspirations grow. Make sure to get that bell icon on there as well. And, you know, I have a few more videos if you'd like to check them out. Stay awesome, guys. You're incredible. Yeah, cringe art, but one day it'll be amazing. So keep going, keep staying inspired. See you guys later.